Profit Genesis 2.0. Exposed, you'll discover how you too can make over $5,000 week after week. Consistently.
Are you still looking for more information about Profit Genesis 2.0 and whether or not it can really deliver on the income promises that are being made? This is essentially an online course that coaches its students on how to get their online e-commerce business started as quickly as possible by following a proven, step-by-step blueprint. What can you expect to learn from Profit Genesis 2.0? By following his own exact system, David has proven how he has used his strategy to take his Amazon products business to over $24,500 per month selling Amazon products. After comparing this to the dozens of other e-commerce training programs we have attended, we have to say that Profit Genesis 2.0 most likely the easiest way to earn an income from Amazon right now. There are only 3 broad steps to this system. The most important aspect is that you will have to commit to implementing the strategy every day to ensure that your business can keep running. Constant updates are provided members to ensure that you are always using the latest strategies to driving people to your Amazon campaigns and not get outdated by your competition. What are the risks of joining Profit Genesis 2.0? Online purchase risk, but members can refund within 60 days if it doesn't work. Like any online course, there are no guaranteed results. Although the strategy is proven, all the results depend on your effort and patience. You may do it wrong the couple of times, so be patient and try again by rewatching the training videos. Overview of the features of Profit Genesis 2.0. No SEO, search engine optimization, skills required. Unlimited traffic from social media websites, using a secret unknown strategy. Easy to follow step-by-step strategy guide. For beginners and professionals. No need to write thousands of articles. No website designing skills required. No filling of surveys. Bonus number 1, Speed Success Secrets, how to fast-track your work. Bonus number 2, Top 10 High-Demand Products, to know which Amazon products sell better. Bonus number 3, Speed Cash Profits, how to multiply your Profit Genesis 2.0 profits. Low price entry price compared to the results you will get. Live Online Support 7/24. Minus 100% money back guaranteed. This program is powered and trusted by ClickBank. This product gives real value to your subscribers by showing them step-by-step on how to start an e-commerce business. As such, we are currently seeing less than a 10% refund rate. So this is a product your subscribers will find truly amazing.
Please click the link in the description to watch the full video online the free.